How to remove people from photo with Photoshop. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove people or objects in your photos in Photoshop. So let's get started. So first things first, I have my image right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just simply going to go ahead and click on the lasso tool right here. It's going to allow me to select the object. So let's say we want to remove these people right here. So what I'll do is I'll just draw this line over here around them, and then I'll just simply leave it at that. Then I'll right click, and over here we will have the option of content aware fill. We'll click on it, and as you can see, there are no people over there. Then we'll just simply click on apply and click on OK. Now, as you can see, there are no people anymore. We can do this with these subjects as well. Click on content aware and fill. It is not going anywhere. So, and now it's going to ask me to, go ahead and use this brush tool to actually go ahead and highlight the areas around it. So I'm just simply doing that, and there you go. It looks good. Now it's not 100%, but it still works for small objects like that, and you can't even tell if there was a person there. So that is how you do it. That is how you use this tool. That is how you remove people from your photos in Photoshop. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.